that's what I want to be. I want to ask you, have you ever sat down to say this is the vision of our family? And if you are sat down and said this is the vision of our family, have you presented it to God? Have you asked God, is this your mind concerning my family? Have you ever asked God? You see, we're taking church to become a thing of Sunday. But let me tell you, the reason of a church is that you receive the word on Sunday, and that word directs your path. Because the word is a lamp unto your feet and a light unto your path to direct you until Saturday. Then another Sunday, you come for a fresh topic so that you will not be like the foolish virgins whose oil run dry in their own house. That's the purpose of the church. But today, people have made the church to be a place of endorsing their candidature, a place of doing that and so forth, a place of social delight, a place of promotion and so forth. When they give fat contributions, you are known, you are pronounced everywhere, and you think that you have arrived. No. The truth is this, is that the new church, are you listening to me? The new church is not a building. The new church is a people. Because the altar of the new church is in your heart. That's what the new covenant is all about. So everywhere you go, you carry God in you. Everywhere you go, you carry the altar